wagwan everybody, on a good, and I don't know say your girl Abi Bumbleclass. So I'm back with another video.
Baby, won't you come to my motel? Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Alright, so when I done read the name, so I know what this video could be about. It's gonna be one get ready with me in Patois. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just do makeup on my ear and yeah. So first I'm gonna put on my little lip gloss already and I'm gonna put some tone up on my face. So my face can look nice. I don't like when I put makeup on dirty face. I don't like that. Make sure my face clean. So yeah, I'm gonna use the Fenty toner, the fat water. And after I do that, I'm gonna moisturize my face. Sorry. I'm gonna use the moisturizer from GRWM. I'm gonna just put a little tips. Little tips on my face. I'm not even gonna lie, I never did do my skin routine in like how long? How long? I don't know. Couple weeks. Through my wake up, my spin brush it did run out of battery, so I never did I do my skin routine. My skin still look good though. So what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna start with the eyebrow them. That's what my grandmother called them, eyebrow. I start with my eyebrows. If y'all watch this and you don't know what I say, I'm sorry, but I'm not putting a subtitle. I'm not do it. It take too long. I'm not do all of that. So yeah, I could do my eyebrows. Them and I use my this. I don't know say this me use all the time. Look how dirty. I look dead. True me just wake up. So I use a little spoolie and I gonna brush on my eyebrow them. Them look good too. And then I'm gonna start and I'm gonna carve out the down here, so. My uncle hopes so I can't sit cause yo, I finally fixed my ring light. I just am not got other one you wanna know. It probably still broke up still. I'm not try to make this one tutorial or whatever cause I'm not say Wally Pound, I'm not even gonna know what I say. I'm not even know if people are gonna even watch this, but I don't know what to post on YouTube no more cause my audience all over the place. I don't know what people want to watch. I don't know who I watch. I don't know nothing. Cause nobody not even watch or something no more. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna post. I'm just a post. Cause that's all you can do, yeah. Alright, so we'll have a look at something I go on. Fill in the front a little bit. Alright, that look good. I'm gonna do the next one now. Alright, so wanna plan for this year, plan for the New Year's. You see how this one look dark and this one look so you can't keep it like that, but true me like it for look a little bit more natural. I'm gonna just brush it out so it can look lighter. So yeah, I wanna plan for the new year. I wanna have plan on a goal. I just wanna make a whole heap of money. gain more social media followers. Yeah, money, social media following. What else? I don't know. I just take 2021 as it go. I try go up still. I don't want to go back in nothing. I just want to elevate myself. Alright. So next, I go take some concealer and conceal my brow them. Ooh. Enough come out just now, but enough come out just now. If I come out of the camera frame, I'm sorry, but all of the something them up on the side, and if I not look pan on them, I'm sorry. But everything up on the side, I'm just try reach everything. And if y'all watch this video and you understand what I say, comment your goal and comment some videos that you want to see, cause I don't know what for post no more. So yeah, it'll really help if I can know what I want to see. Yeah. Every time I do my makeup and I do this part, I think about that meme there with the girl where she do her eyebrows and them say them outside. This one right here, so this one. People always ask when I do makeup, other people makeup, why I always do so. Cause you see when I do my own makeup, I go like this. So I can't have space for doing me I do. See? But when I do other people makeup, them don't sit and do this. So I have to go so. You know, and pull it up so I have space for doing me I do. So now I'm gonna take the white concealer and I'm gonna put some of that on my lid. Cause I'm gonna do one like colorful makeup look. Alright, so now I'm gonna look like some mad somebody. I'm gonna take this purple here. You see it on the brush? Yep. I'm gonna put that in my crease and I'm gonna build it up. I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with one blue. So I'm gonna use this blue. I'm gonna show them upon the brush cause I'm not say what kind of palette I use, I'm not say no name, I'm not do none of that. I'm have to just match the color with whichever palette you have and you use. I don't want to hear nobody more about say why me I use that, why me I support this person, yeah. Cause I don't know. So now I'm gonna take the blue, I'm gonna put it on the inner corner. So I'm gonna go with it now. I'm gonna blend it in with the purple. Alright, so now we have purple and blue something I'm going. Now I'm gonna do the transition color for both of them. So I'm gonna take this hot pink, see it? I'm gonna put it for the purple. I'll put it right just over the purple. Right just over the purple. And then I'm gonna do this one light blue for up here, so. Ooh. Now I could take one like yellow, orange something. See? And I could blend that in with the pink too. Now I'm gonna go back in with the purple and bring it back because it's gone, it get lost. I'm gonna take this brush, I'm gonna go back in with the purple and just bring that back in. I'm gonna take one other purple, one darker one. I'm gonna put it right here so for when I'm ready for cut my crease. I'm gonna cut one crease. I'm gonna use one darker blue and put that right here so for when I'm ready for cut my crease. Alright, so this is what I have. I'm gonna do the next eye. Alright, so I'm gonna just do the other eye. And I probably think so like, what you do? What you just do? A whole heap of color that. And probably I look at me like I'm crazy, but trust me, this is gonna come out cute. So now I'm gonna take the white concealer again and I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna take this color, this palette. Can you see? I can't see. I can't see, but this right here. And I'm gonna put that in my inner crease. So this small white eyeshadow, but to have like blue undertone. So now I'm gonna take one little bit of gold. You see? I can't see it. Look a bit of gold. I'm gonna put that right here so. Oh, let me show you the color. This may I use. This right here so. Alright, so now I'm gonna take one like pink. Take one pink and put it right here so. So the pink here may I use this. I'm gonna use the dark purple I'm gonna use. I'm gonna blend that out. Yeah man, that look good man. That look good. Yeah, so for good. Now I'm gonna use some rhinestone. I'm gonna put it on my eye. So I'm gonna take this red eyeliner. I'm gonna use that. to give carnival. So now I'm gonna do the rest of the face. You can't believe somebody did that in my eye for all long now. Alright, so I'm gonna put my little lashes on. So I'm gonna do my lip liner. Alright everybody, so this is how it look. I don't know why not go where this go, cause me not gonna wear, but this is one like nice carnival look. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. Yeah, later. Look at more. Oh, I don't know that.